everyone, welcome back to Delicious Recipe. Today I will be making French fries that will soften inside and crispy outside and taste really good. First, rinse your potatoes very well. Next, peel the skin off. Then cut the potatoes on top and bottom to get rectangle shaped potatoes. Next, slice by having 0.5 inch thickness. And then soak your potato sticks for about 30 minutes to get rid of starch. Next, drain the water out and rinse again. And rinse again and drain again. Next, cover it with a cloth. The potatoes have to be completely dry. Oil in a pan on a medium heat over 130 to 135 degrees Celsius and fry them for 6 minutes or until it gets cooked from inside but not brown from outside. Let the half-fried potato sticks cool down for 5 minutes. French fries are great when it's raining. Next, fry them on a medium heat or until they're crisp and golden. Next, add dried chilies and salt into a pestle and mortar and pound until you have fine powder. And we're ready to serve this fantastic French fries which is crispy and soft inside. Alright, so please like this video, comment, share with your loved ones and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell button for more. Thank you for watching.